How to delete photos and videos from iPhone to free up space. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on iPhone Storage. This screen provides a detailed breakdown of how your device's storage is being used by different categories like apps, photos, and system data. Find the Recently Deleted Album option and tap on Empty next to it as shown. As you can see, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to permanently remove all items from the album and free up storage space. Following these steps, you can easily empty the recently deleted album on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.